welcome with Rcare Overseas Education, and in this video we're gonna discuss about biochemistry. So these are the few universities, though in Germany there are a lot of more universities where you can apply, but these are the common universities altogether where we have described the name, the requirement and the intake. If you wanted to know more about public university, we have shared the playlist for public universities in the description, for masters, for visa, for bachelors, and all about Germany and Europe. So you're most welcome to contact us. We would be very happy to help you. Thank you for watching.